What's going on? What's going on? Most of the time I do this, I forget to turn my mic on. But most of the time I do this, I don't need my mic on because I'm just streaming the screen. Y'all know what's going on. But call me crazy, but I keep trying to get like a massive trade on this small account. I'd rather do it when it's small than do it when I actually got something to blow. Um, so yeah, I just risked $100 out of this 270. I tried to catch it earlier and end up losing. Well, I won, then I lost. um, so I'm trying again. I'm not gonna make it a habit, but I'm not gonna lie, it is fun. It is fun, and I'd rather do it with a little money than a lot of money. The more money I make on the account, obviously I'm gonna dial down the risk. Um, Let me go ahead and get this video added into the live streaming playlist. Let's do that before we do anything. And I need to stop hopping in trades without marking up my charts. That's really where I lose most of my money at. So we're gonna go ahead and mark the chart. And it's crazy because the one I lost earlier, man, it lost so fast. Like when I lose so fast. I ain't even have time to like put the live on. I ain't have time to send it. I didn't have time to like do nothing. I got in and I think within the same 5 minutes I had lost. So we're gonna see how this one go. Now, if this one goes on a run, I'm thinking about leaving the stream running until it ends. 'Cause I really want to get a nice swing trade in while going to these new highs. And it's crazy because I had a position in that I had put a TP at 3,900, and look where we at, 38.75. And then I closed one earlier where I took like 115 profit. And that one I had marked up to go to 38.75, and if it went to 38.75, that would have been a $500 profit. But we not gonna do shoulda, woulda, couldas, because it is what it is. We're just gonna try to grow this account as much as possible. I really want to see how far I could take this $100. Um, and obviously I'm not gonna leave the money in there. As I grow it, I'ma cash out, pay a couple of bills, grow it again, cash out, let it sit. And then my plan is I gotta see first how far I could take it, but my plan is to like every time I get like $500 to like transfer it over to my wallet, um, to make sure I don't like over leverage it, cause I will. My confidence is crazy. I'm not gonna lie, but those the people that really make it big risk, big reward. I put big stupid risk on this for a reason because this is kind of dumb. I wouldn't recommend. Don't try this at home. This is kind of dumb, but I'm cool with it. I really want to see if we could get past this high though. We get past this high, I feel better about moving to break even. But this is a nice let me mark this chart while I'm here. 'Cause it's a nice little level right here. Wait, is that the level though? I mean, it's a support, but I don't really see nothing at the bottom touching it. So is it accurate or is it here? I would say that's a pretty good support. I love this candle right here. That gave me a lot of confidence, but I still want to see it go past this high. Oh goodness. Let's go ahead and do I want to clear the chart completely? Let's do this. Let's take this off. Let's take this off. This last position. What else we got? Two drawn, so just a line and a support. Yeah, I'm cool with that. Let's see what happens. I don't have a take profit on here because I really want to catch a nice swing trade where I just let it ride out and I just freaking move my stop loss. Now I suck at moving my stop loss, so I normally end up getting stopped out when I move the stop loss too tight. But I really want to just like, keep moving the stop loss to the next low. I mean, next high, whatever. It's crazy that I got this credit on here, so it's kind of hard to tell like what my equity really be, but I guess 350 because my credit is 300, so I have to subtract that from here to know what my actual equity is. Shout out to freaking, dang, I don't forgot my broker name. Gates FX. Shout out to Gates FX with the $100 deposit bonus. And then it's crazy because you can make profit and then transfer it back to your wallet and then transfer it back in and then they'll give you the bonus again. So before I put in $100 and then they gave me a $100 credit. Then when I got the 300, I transferred the 300 back to the wallet and then deposited it back and then they gave me a $300 credit. So that is lit. I'm not gonna lie. Come on, man, get past this high. I wanna see. I wanna see you do something up there. I wanna see you get past that last high. But it probably don't wanna. It's probably gonna do something stupid for three. That's another thing. It's like gold is my only pair, and gold has been moving at the time. It has been moving not in my. How can I say this? I be on the trade London session, so technically I shouldn't be in a trade before 3 a.m. But it has been moving really in the freaking evening sessions. And I don't really too much care about London. I more so care about New York. But then when I come from New York session, ain't nothing going on. London be doing a little bit, but it's crazy. It been moving like 9 p.m. instead, and I'm not really used to that. So I don't know if I wanna. I don't know. So the last 2 days I was catching it when it was moving, but now it's like I don't know. This is me thinking if I want to modify my trading plan, but I really don't want to. But like this trade really is for 3 o'clock, so hopefully 3 o'clock don't do the opposite. But it's basically like I don't know if I should feel bad about being outside of my regular time or not. But it is what it is. Ain't even really no markups to do for real either. I want to see that 15-minute candle get up there. Flip the bottom this way. Hmm. Look at this. It want to be ugly. You know what? If you ain't ready, you know what I'm good for. Because you either going to be ready or not. I risked 100, but I ain't got to lose the 100. If you ain't ready, just let me know. We'll go break even and call it square. Hmm. All right, so that's done. Let me. Is this old or this earlier? Dang, it's frosty in here, boy. Trading at these massive highs is crazy. It ain't really even nothing really to mark up. Like, There's nothing to mark up. This thing is like an uncharted territory. We in no man's land. No man's land. Once it get past here, ain't no telling where it's going. So I got no take profit. If it come below here, I can expect it to, retest to this half level, whatever. Um, which could be a nice trade. That one I could, make more sense of. Stop loss below the low, and then to I say 375 the quarter level. 38.75, I mean, just like a 3 to 1, that wouldn't be bad. But let's see, man, because I don't think this thing has no plans on chilling out. I think it's trying to take off higher and higher and higher. I guess I could change the title from Big Stupid Rich because I already at break even. So, should I? Hmm. Yeah. So it don't want to go past there? That's what y'all telling me? That's what you trying to tell me. Get up there, man. If I go here, what's that? $28. Nope, we gonna stay at break even. This name is part 2. I don't know what the title of the video. I'm gonna just put the date. Come on, man. Take off for me, though. Just take off. I don't know what I think I'm gonna see on this 1 minute. Need that 5. These 5 minute trades been costing me money too, but I'm getting a little better at it. I'm the best at the 15, but oh, it's crazy because no resistance level has been freaking holding for gold. Like no resistance level has been holding. Like it's been breaking every freaking thing. The support's been holding, but not the resistance. Until I want to try to get some money. I hate that it be so scrunched up. I guess we breaking even then. Hey, why you wanna be? And I'm not gonna keep trying to chase it while it's bouncing between here. And then as soon as I get out, then it breaks through. It's like it's crazy. Well, guess we not ready. It's not ready. What time is it? 2:48. Let's let that hoe close. See what happens. These hours look so scrunched up. That annoys me, man. I really wanted to get in down here. Was I in down there? What was I even in at? I was in right here. Yeah, I was in right here. On the 15 minute, yeah, I was in here. Let me see what a pendant would look like with a stop loss here. Pending here to the level. Is that accurate or that's too close? I think to be safe, it would actually be like here. But I don't want to do no pendant because I'm trying to go big. That pendant gonna mess me up. Wait till 3 o'clock. What would that be? $76. I'd rather execute than go pending. $250. Let's see how the hour ending. If that hour ending way down, then it'll be a no. And that pending would have been stopped out right there, I believe. No, because it would have been below. If I would have did this stop, yeah. I don't know. Look like London session might be dead for me. Because I'm not putting no sales. I can't tell you when the last time I put in a sale on gold. Not doing no sales. I feel like this level could get retested at 38.50, but not really too keen on that happening either. I want to see how this look on the 5. Someone told me 3 o'clock was going to try to go bearish, but we'll see. Definitely gonna have to wait till 3 o'clock to see what the play is. Unless it's coming to 38.50. You know. And then I also be torn about these videos too, where I go live, nothing really happens. I don't know if I should wait till I'm in a trade to start the live, but then people be asking me how I mark the charts. So it's like I try to get on, mark the chart, wait for a trade, see if I see a trade, but then if nothing happens, I tend to just delete the video. But I kind of want the whole progress to be, it's crazy. At the end of the day, it is what it is. You watch it, you watch it. You don't watch it, you don't watch it. That 5 minute ended how? Very bullish. Bearish, I mean. Play me some spades for 5 minutes. Bro, it's cold. Hold on. And here in the black corner, come on down. It's gold for the retest to 38.50. Which means most likely 2 o'clock hour is ending very freaking bearish. Oh, which kind of throws the whole play out. So I would think for me to get an entry, I would need to see, let's see, we broke out. I would need to see a retest. Do I want one retest or two? This haven't even been given two retests lately. It's been given one. Because I low key would want to see like two. But it already went so high, so I don't think we're going to get two retests. I feel like it's just going to. Where's 39? What am I doing? It's not what I'm trying to do. Now the question is, do I want a pending limit here at the level? Um, Let me see something. Would I go here or would I go here? I'll probably go put a stop loss here. Okay. First of all, forget that. Earlier I was looking at, let's see what we want to do. Earlier I was looking at a stop loss at 3840.5. Um, with an entry at 38. I put it in my chat. Let me see. In my private trade. In my private trade chat, I put 38 entry at 38.43. I deleted that pendulum, but it was 38.43.5 with a stop loss at 38.40.5 and a TP at 38.60. But now I don't think it's going to come back down past 38.50, honestly. I don't. And if I was to do at 38.50, definitely gonna have to drop this lot down lower than that. Um, I don't like it. I don't think I'm doing no pending. I don't like that. So this leg is still gonna come down some more. 2 o'clock ended strong to the downside. 15 minute. I don't think we got no entry. Dang, I don't think it's no entry. The only thing I see is coming down to like here. That's really all I see is depending at 38.50. Probably wouldn't mind a point one right there. TP 3900. It's $500. But if I'm gonna go a big risk on freaking $75 on a 275 account, I would rather have that live. I can't put that as pending. I guess we going to bed then. Well, that don't show how long I've been on here. What I'm at, 273. Well, let's see what I lost. Cause yesterday was a losing day. Today down. Let's refresh this. Oh no, that's right. 273. $100 account. 173 in profit. And I'm still up 55 for the week. But so far this morning, a loss, and yesterday was a loss. That's too many trades yesterday. Too many. That's why I'm down. Did two so far today, down $30. Still up for the week, which means I need to play it safe. Hmm. Oh, it's the last day of the month. So if I end now, I'll be up 173 for my first 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of the account. It's not bad. 173 on $100 account. That's 173%, right? Yes. Okay, that looks good, but I don't know where to put my stop loss for this, so we're not getting in that unless I go here. But if I go here, it's still got the potential to come down and not worth it. Not worth it. I'm gonna end it here. It's looking like no trade. I guess I'll see what New York session does. And 2 o'clock just messed up the whole freaking pattern. This I can't see through. Oh goodness. Well, that was nothing. Might as well change the title to no trade. Oh, that'll be cool if I start putting the titles, like what the outcome was. Because sometimes I end these things and then I get right into another trade and it's like, what was the point of that? So, no trade.